Nobody ever taught us how money works. Nobody ever taught us how compounding interest can make you wealthy beyond belief, or how debt can crush you for the rest of your life. Nobody ever taught us how the markets move. Nobody ever told us that Congress can trade on insider information that would put you and me in prison. No one ever told us that the crypto and the meme coins are deliberately designed to move money out of your pocket and into the pockets of the influencers who promote them. We didn't learn this in high school. We didn't learn this in college. We didn't learn this at the kitchen table. Nobody taught us this because the elite and the privileged want to keep us in the dark and ignorant. My name is Rob. I grew up without money. I watched good people that I grew up with lose everything because no one ever gave them a roadmap to financial literacy. I had to figure the markets out for myself, and over the past 25 years, I've been trading the market, and it has changed my life. Now, I'm teaching my son Joseph, and you, everything that I know, on camera, for free. The hostile takeover exists for everyone that the financial establishment has left behind or doesn't want to acknowledge. It's knowledge that determines which side of the economy you land on, and we're going to be here for you always, free. New episodes will air every Sunday and Tuesday. Hope you subscribe, and the takeover starts now.